Based on elastic vibrations that are above the audible field of the human ear, the renowned ultrasounds, we are able to achieve the so-called cavitation effect. This is a process in which ultrasounds radiating within a liquid, in this case adipose tissue, induce the formation of vapor microbubbles. These bubbles, imploding under the weight of external pressure, generate a huge quantity of energy that is capable of breaking down adipocyte cell membranes. The body then eliminates triglycerides and cell residue inside them in a way that is entirely natural and physiological.
I had my first child, Isabella. The pregnancy left me with a few extra pounds right around the midriff area, abdomen. My confidence level has dropped dramatically. I don't really want to go under the knife. It's just a huge recovery period.
The best, in my opinion, non-invasive technique that's available is called the Vaser shape. The Vaser shape uses ultrasound. The ultrasound heats the skin up, separates the fat cells. The fat cells are then moved to lymph nodes and excreted from your body. Patients get an immediate result. Once the treatment's done, you can go to the office and work, you can go take care of your daughter, so there's no downtime. So it's 94 centimeters. We have the suction on 50%, and what we're doing is opening the lymphatic drain. The second stage is using the Vaser shape ultrasound to remove or fragment the fat cells. We're starting from her mid-hip on one side, moving across the abdomen. This is generating heat. So you can see the heat is enough that it's vaporizing water from the liquid to a gas. What the goal would be is to try to get it between 41 and 43 degrees Celsius where you have maximum results. This is after the first treatment, 90.5, and she started at 94. So that's 3.5 centimeter change. That's an 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Lymphatics are vessels that carry stuff back to the heart, 90% through veins, about 10% through these lymphatic vessels. The second stage of the procedure is we use ultrasound to fragment or separate the fat cells. The third part is the skin tightening procedure, and the last part is actually taking the fat that's now separated and delivering those to the lymphatic areas of the body so it can be removed from the body through its normal cleansing pattern.
Some amazing fat reduction. I'm talking inches of fat gone in a matter of weeks.
I exercise, I go to the gym.
Still, like so many women, Tracy Creighton fights tummy fat and thicker thighs than she'd like. That is, until Vaser shape.
It's definitely working.
And the proof, measurements before each treatment.
We have not had anybody yet who hasn't dropped measurements.
Louisville plastic surgeon Dr. Julie Samuels is documenting patient progress.
We have found something that really works.
Excited, she's the first in the area to offer this new fat-blasting technology. It's a no-pain external ultrasound device, FDA approved to treat cellulite, but now believed the heat is damaging and killing fat cells.
The walls collapse, and then the fat cell is no longer able to store the fat.
Treatments per area take less than an hour.
You can do any area of the body except for the face and the neck.
And at the end, by changing the modality, the device stimulates and opens the lymphatic system.
And the lymphatic system has these tiny little delicate valves which are sort of a one-way system out.
Helping excrete the contents of the fatty layers now destroyed. That excretion can take a few days, so results?
I was amazed, but on the third or fourth day, it was better. It was better, it was tighter.
Tighter skin, another bonus.
And you have the advantage of the heat under the skin, which does cause contraction and then thereby smoothing the surface of the skin.
4 to 6 treatments are recommended, but
we certainly are seeing results after single treatments.
Check out this result, the treatment on just one side. Dr. Samuels is as amazed as the patients.
If you can demonstrate any change on a photograph and you haven't operated on that patient, that's meaningful to me.
In just 2 treatments, Tracy's down over 2 inches at her waist, nearly 5 inches